people say we both know I couldn't change you. I guess you could say the same. Can't rearrange truth. I've never seen someone like.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video will be a really quick what's in my bag because I'm using my Coach Barrel Nolita. It's a pretty small bag, so that's why I say it's going to be quick, but I don't think I've ever done a... Okay, come on. I have to hide my face. Yeah, there we go. I don't think I've ever done a what's in my bag for my Coach Nolita before. This bag is... I think I got this 2 or 3 years ago. It is one of my favorite bags to wear during like the summer especially. So I've moved all my stuff into this bag for now. It's already so hot outside, you wouldn't believe it. I think right now it's like 94 degrees. There's like a heat advisory, but then it's like cloudy. So it's like, I don't know. The Florida weather is bipolar. We could have a cold front tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, we're doing a what's in my bag. So I do still have the tag for this. This is the Nolita Barrel in Signature. So Signature would be, you know, just the C's. I don't remember how much this was. I think this was on sale when my mom got it. I don't remember how much it was though. It's in the color tan and pink petal. So that is the color of this pink. This charm here is actually a Coach charm, by the way. My mom got this from the Coach outlet website for Christmas one year. You can see it says Coach on it. It's just a little heart. And then this charm is a Coach charm dupe. The dice is a Coach charm dupe I got from Shein. And then this bag extender is also from Shein, but you can also get this on Amazon. It's just some hearts. Yeah, so that is the outside of the bag. But before we get into the inside of the bag, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my content, and check out my Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram, which will be on the screen and linked in the pinned comment. Now, inside the bag, well, first, the zipper. So you can see, right? Yeah, the zipper says Coach New York, the little leather thing there. You open it and this is like a quick overview. I put as much as I could, you know, but not much you can do because the bag is so tiny. And then the shape, it's a really cute shape and it's really comfortable under your arm, but like it can be kind of awkward to fit stuff in here, especially since, you know, wallets and stuff, you know. But the first thing I have in my bag is my Juicy Couture wallet. I don't actually have a Coach wallet, so maybe I should like try to invest in one. But this is my favorite Juicy Couture wallet. I love this print. I think I got this from, it might have been Ross, but you know, Juicy Couture is everywhere. So yeah, and then I attached to it my little pill holder. I have like painkillers in here, and my Megumi Funko Pop. Y'all already should know. In the back, you can put your ID, and then, you know, inside it's just a normal small wallet. It says, "My heart belongs to Juicy." Then I have other things here too. I have my Lysol mini spray. I think this is, I mean, it could be from Five Below. Five Below has a lot of minis like this. It could be from Target, it could be from Walgreens, I don't know. But it's just a mini spray to keep if you use the bathroom, spray the toilet seat. If you go to a store, spray the like handle of the basket. You know, it's good to have this. This is from Target. I know I did get this from Target. This is my Tide to Go stick. This comes in handy. Like, I have been using this so much. Seriously, get one of these. This is super like important for me to have. All you have to do is take off the top, and you can just rub this piece on your shirt or your pants or wherever if you have a stain, but you have to do it like immediately, okay? You can't let the stain sit. You have to use this as soon as it happens. Next, I have my hand lotion. So isn't the packaging so cute for this? This is Bath & Body Works. This is Vanilla Buttercream. To me, it kind of, it's like a toned down version of the EOS Vanilla Cashmere. So if Vanilla Cashmere is too strong for you, I recommend getting this. I don't know if this is just in a hand cream or if there are like bigger sizes of this, but I have the hand cream, very moisturizing, and the packaging is so cute. Then for my fragrance, I have what's left of my Billie Eilish Eilish perfume. So I remember I got the Billie Eilish perfume in a set for Christmas. Like, dude, that had to have been like 4 or 5 years ago. And then I lost this. I used up the big bottle forever ago. And I lost this. And then my mom went through one of her old purses. It was like a fanny pack or something. And it was in here. Like, it was in the fanny pack. So yeah, so I've been using this. It smells really, really good. It's not for everyone. It's not like a sweet gourmand vanilla. It's like a spicy vanilla. So it's really, you know, smell it before you buy it, but I really, really like this. And as you can see, I don't have that much left, so. And lastly, you guys, I told you this would be quick. Lastly, I have my current lip combo. This is the lip combo I have been wearing for, I'd say like a couple days now. Like, I tried it a couple days ago and I really like it. So whenever I go out, this is my lip combo. I didn't take the lip liner I used though. I don't have that in here, but it's on the table, so I can show you that too. First, my lip liner. This is the Sephora lip liner. What? Okay, this is in deep brown. So you can see what deep brown looks like on brown skin. It's really dark, but it's not black, you know? And then actually in the purse, this is a L'Oreal Paris. I don't even know what you would call this. It's not really a I mean, it's kind of a lipstick. You can see what it looks like. But I put some on my lips. It says Le Rosy Confident. It's French, okay? So that's what I put on my lips, and then over that, because that is pretty matte, and I really don't like a matte look, so I put some gloss over it. This is Urban Decay Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in the shade Fireball. Yeah, now you can see. It does have some shimmer in it, so that is everything I keep in my Nolita barrel bag. I know that was quick, but you know, it's spring going into summer. It's getting hotter. You're uncomfortable in the heat, so it's like you really wouldn't want to carry a massive bag with you. So I think that this is a really good option, or even a normal Nolita bag are they're really good options for the summer months. So if you want this bag, my sister has this same bag too in a different colorway. So if you want this bag, I will link it in the description on the outlet website if it's still there. I'll try and see if I can find this color, but if I can't find it in this color, I'll just link whatever color. But I thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!